How's it going, Phone Lab? It's Root Junkie here, and today we're going to be talking about how to install Notepad++, this program right here. You can see I've already downloaded one. I'm also going to include it below this video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and I'm going to talk about the reasons and why we install it. So we're going to go ahead and install this, close this down, and so you're trying to install 64-bit version while 32-bit version is already installed, blah, 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 blah. So just say, okay, I'm going to do this. Basically, I have a version of it already installed, but I'm just doing this so you guys can see how this is done. It's very simple. You just download this exe and click next, next, next all the way through it. Leave all of this checked. It's highly recommended. Use app data, enable options, no to load, right? Create desktop shortcut. You can do that if you want. These are just optional, not necessary. So hit install. It's going to go ahead and install, and then you can click it and it'll go ahead and run it as well. So here we go. We already got it running here. So you can see I've already got things that open in here. Generally, these won't all be here. Yeah, this just gives me a change log about it, so you can see everything here, right here. So why do we use Notepad++ on the computer here? Why is this necessary? Why do we have it? Well, I don't know if you haven't noticed, but there's a lot you can do in Notepad++, and the best part about it when it comes to like viewing, modifying batch files, and looking at things is it can view a lot of different text that other programs cannot, and a lot of different extensions that other programs cannot view. Okay, and that's really the reason we use it, and it works really well for doing all kinds of modifications and looking at files and programs as we need as we're working on phone repairs. But that's basically it. It is now installed, and you're good to go. The other thing I would do, you can see I've already done it down here, is come over here to the program, right click on it, and pin to taskbar. I'm going to unpin this one. This is my 32-bit version. And now we're pinned to the taskbar. Even when I close the program out, I can open it right back up right from my taskbar. The other thing that's nice about it is if you want to look at something else, like let's see here, what would be a good text to show you guys. This will be kind of fun. Check this out. So if I right click on this, you can also see it installs this, which allows you to edit with Notepad with a right click of your mouse on anything. And here you go. So that's kind of a fun little text if you've never seen that before. Sneak peeky right there. So yeah, pretty much it. You are installed. Everything is ready to rock and roll here. You have Notepad++ installed. Very simple, very easy to do. Highly recommend having this on your computer. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Root Junkie out.